Can straightening your teeth cause jaw pain?
This young woman came to my office experiencing severe jaw pain. She's in her early 20s, and when you look at her teeth, they're beautiful and perfectly aligned. She doesn't have any wear, there's really no issues with her teeth, and her jaw is clicking and she's in a ton of pain. Now, if you take a look at both upper and lower arches, nothing really jumps out, or does it? This is the splint, or Nightguard, her previous dentist gave her, and it doesn't help. Now, looking at her Panorex, if we zoom in on the right condyle, one thing that jumps out a little bit is just the shape of it and the squareness and the flatness. If also look at the mandible shape, it's quite enlarged. Her right CBCT in closed position shows that the condylar head is severely posteriorly positioned. On the left side, in the closed position, the condylar head is laterally positioned. So if we take a look at what's happening when she bites on the front teeth, she's got to retrude back and click off and on that articular disc. That's what a click is. You bite down, you slide back, and there's a click when you pop off and on the articular disc. In her case, she's also having ear pain, and that's because the condyle has gone so far back that it's actually pushing right into the ear canal, causing significant pain, ringing, and fullness. Now, if you think about arch development, and if we go back to where the teeth should be, and if you take a look at her, you sort of see a little dip right where the bicuspids are. And if you take a look at the lowers, you also see a dip. So what's happening with her, what has happened, because she did have some orthodontics, when the orthodontist saw her and straightened her teeth, what they did was they lingually inclined or tipped the bicuspids. So what can happen when you take bicuspids that should be out here and tip them in lingually? Well, take a look at this. If you take posterior teeth from the front and you bring them in, if they're lingually tipped, sometimes what can happen is as they squeeze the arch and make it more narrow, they cause the jaw to go backwards, and that distalizes the condyle. Now, what does that do? Well, when you distalize the condyle, every time you retrude, you push the whole jaw back, and over time, it'll start to click off the disc and move backwards and push against the ear canal and cause TMD symptoms like pain, inflammation, ear ringing, ear pain, fullness, and a click, which is what's happening with the disc, clicking off and on the disc.